COVID-19 has flipped our world upside down.
It has shown us what makes us strong.
But it's also been teaching us where our system needs change.
This fall, we're offering a class exploring insights and skills gleaned from multiple disciplines and perspectives relating to this worldwide pandemic.
Rather than pretend that everything will be just as it was, this course asks us to imagine a different future, one in which we can all work together to change the world for the better. Our students are engaged learners, creative thinkers, and conscientious citizens.
At OWU, we believe that the best way to approach complex problems is by tackling them head-on. A liberal arts education is needed now more than ever.
As we all return to OWU, we ask you to join us in putting theory into practice, exploring what a new normal might look like for our campus, the communities in which we live, and the world.
As we remember, we are OWU.
And we are in this together.